Ever found yourself banging your head against a wall, wrestling with some tricky tech issue, and all you need is a lifeline to Acorn support? We've all been there. That frustrating moment when your project's on the line, or you're just plain stuck, and you need answers now. It's like being lost in a maze with no map, and the clock's ticking. Today, we're throwing open the doors to Acorn support and giving you the ultimate guide to get the help you need, fast. We're going to cover every avenue, from the quick fixes to the more in-depth solutions, so you can get back to creating, building, and doing what you do best. No more frantic searching, no more guessing games. Just clear, concise, and actionable steps to connect with Acorn support. First things first, let's talk about the Acorn knowledge base. Think of this as your digital encyclopedia of Acorn wisdom. Before you even reach out to a human, it's worth spending a few minutes here. It's packed with FAQs, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides covering a huge range of topics. Chances are, someone else has already stumbled across the same problem you're facing, and the solution is waiting for you. We'll put a link to the knowledge base in the description below, so you can bookmark it and have it handy. Now, let's say you've explored the knowledge base, but you're still stuck. What's the next step? Well, Acorn offers a couple of different ways to get in touch with their support team. The most common, and often the quickest, is through their online chat. This is a great option for those time-sensitive issues where you need immediate assistance. You can usually find the chat option on the Acorn website, often tucked away in the footer or a Contact Us page. Just look for a little chat bubble icon. Click on it, and you'll be connected to a support representative who can guide you through your problem. When using the chat, be prepared to explain your issue clearly and concisely. The more details you can provide, the better equipped the support team will be to help you. Think about what steps you've already taken, any error messages you've encountered, and the specific Acorn product you're using. The more information you give them up front, the faster they can diagnose the problem and find a solution. Another way to contact Acorn support is through email. This might be a better option for less urgent issues, or if you need to provide more detailed information, like screenshots or project files. You can usually find the support email address on the Acorn website. When you email them, remember to include a clear subject line that summarizes your issue. This helps the support team prioritize their responses and get back to you more quickly. In your email, just like with the chat, be as detailed as possible. Describe the problem, the steps you've taken, and any relevant information. If you're dealing with a visual issue, screenshots can be incredibly helpful. If you're working on a specific project, attaching a simplified version of the project file can also be beneficial. The more information you provide, the smoother the support process will be. Now, here's a pro tip. Before you reach out to support, take a moment to document your issue. Jot down the steps that led to the problem, any error messages you saw, and what you've already tried. This will not only help the support team understand your issue better, but it will also help you clarify your thoughts and potentially even discover the solution yourself. Sometimes, just the act of documenting the problem can lead to a light bulb moment. Sometimes, though, email and chat just aren't enough. Maybe you're dealing with a really complex issue, or you just prefer to talk to someone directly. In those cases, Acorn might offer phone support. This is often the quickest way to get personalized assistance, especially if you're dealing with a time-sensitive problem. The phone number for support can usually be found on the Acorn website, often in the contact section. When you call support, be prepared to describe your issue clearly and concisely. Have your documentation handy, and be ready to answer any questions the support representative might have. They'll likely ask you about the specific Acorn product you're using, the operating system you're running, and any recent changes you've made. The more information you can provide, the better equipped they'll be to help you. Now, let's talk about community forums. These are online spaces where Acorn users can connect, share tips, and ask questions. They can be a goldmine of information, especially for common issues. Often, you'll find that someone else has already encountered the same problem you're facing, and they've shared the solution on the forum. Community forums can also be a great way to learn new tricks and discover hidden features of Acorn products. We'll include a link to the Acorn community forum in the description below, so you can check it out. One of the biggest advantages of using the community forum is that it's available 24/7. So, even if you're working late at night or on the weekend, you can still find help and support. Plus, you're not just getting help from Acorn support representatives, you're also getting help from other Acorn users who have a wealth of experience and knowledge. Beyond the official channels, there are other places you can look for help. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook can be great for quick questions or updates. Many companies, including Acorn, have dedicated support accounts on these platforms. You can also try searching online for tutorials or blog posts related to your issue. There are often independent creators who share their tips and solutions for common problems. Remember, no matter how you choose to contact Acorn support, the key is to be clear, concise, and patient. The support team is there to help you, and the more information you can provide, the better they'll be able to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.